So this my cat Curtis, and he looking at me like, what you letting her come in here for? This is cute. I might get this. Now see that. Here go the animals. Like every time I try to get on here and talk to my chat partners, they want to come in here and make no. Princess, it's hot in this bathroom, sweetie. You might want to go in the other room where it's cool. Because if she get too hot, she get to throwing up and then just start having all kind of loose liquid bowels. And I'm just not in the mood for it right now.
Hello. That's an old Curtis.
Hey, buddy, it's okay.
Well, I appreciate it. That's your,
Hey,
my
buddy.
cousin then. Where you from?
Alabama originally.
Oh, okay.
Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If y'all new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone has been having a great week so far. Guys, I know I have you all in an awkward position. I do have a taller one I could go get, but I don't feel like going to get it right now, and it's right there in the other room. That's what you call lazy. But you know what, guys, it's okay. It's okay. I'm on my monthly, and let me just say, I'm getting ready to go on vacation. And guys, I've never been so happy to see my monthly, and I don't know, like, seriously, when I saw my monthly, I was like, hallelujah, salvation and glory, honor and power unto the Lord our God. Yes, the Lord our God is mighty. Yes, you know the rest. Yeah, guys, because I do not want to be on vacation and on my monthly. I just don't. It just was not going to work. So, guys, as you can see, the way my hair look and just how I'm looking in general, I'm not feeling that great. I've been going through this time. I was like, Dionne, get up, get yourself together, and go ahead on and dye your hair, because I don't want to wait till like the day before, because honestly, I am going to wash my hair before I go on vacation, because you know when you dye your hair and then when it get wet, it still be that dye stuff in there. So I'm going to just go on ahead and just dye it now. But anyway, guys, so this is just a little vacation, I guess, hair vacation prep, if that's what you want to call it. You okay? Now see that. Here go the animals. Like every time I try to get on here and talk to my chat partners, they want to come in here and make no. Princess, it's hot in this bathroom, sweetie. You might want to go in the other room where it's cool, because if she get too hot, she get to throwing up and then just start having all kind of loose liquid bowels, and I'm just not in the mood for it right now. Come on, sweetie, let's go in here. So this my cat Curtis, and he looking at me like, what you letting her come in here for? She can't come in here with you where it's cool? You chilling? Look how he looking at her, y'all. Curtis, Princess can't come in here with you. She gonna have to. Little area. Get up here and lay down. I'm trying to tell y'all, animals can be like children. I'm gonna use this dye. It's the Carrington color, and it's in the color dark brown. So I'm going to use what I have. I normally dye my hair like jet black or natural black, but this is what I have on hand, so I'm going to use it. Hopefully it'll cover up some of this gray, because as you guys can see, I have a lot of gray going on. Got my iPad out because I'm finna put me on a playlist and listen to me some music. You know what? I'm going to go to my Zumba playlist and go on my playlist and play some of the songs. Guys, I am a Zumba instructor, so if you would like Zumba virtual sessions with me, my email address is in the box below. Here we go. Oh, they got the gloves in a little package, y'all. They're so cute. Where's that? It's on the dry ends of my hair, so it just kind of threw me off a little bit because it's like a little oil or whatever. All my hair dry, so I'm gonna put it all over. is a one size fits all. We gonna see. But they don't even look right. There you see it. This hat. I want a cute summer hat, and this is not working.
Listen to America say take your butt out.
But I like this little kimono thing. Let's see. This little kimono thing. Little kimono. This is cute. I might get this kimono. I don't know. So, looking at some bathing suits and stuff. Getting ready. Oh yeah. Let me see. Yes. I like that.
Don Julio. Who is it?
Vito Corleone. Okay, beautiful people, so I'm back home now from getting things I needed to get for our vacation from Walmart. And we went by the Dollar Tree and got some other things. We had to get stuff for our pets, etc., etc. So now we get ready to go out and about again, but I'm going to do some to my hair. And guys, when I dyed my hair the other day, it came out pretty good. It came out pretty good, I must say. So, it's still a little gray right here, but it's okay. I'm getting ready to put some hair rollers in my hair, so we're going to see because it's hot outside today. And we're going to a concert, and we are going to be outside. So, yeah, guys, so I didn't blow dry it or anything. I just let it air dry from when I dyed it the other day. So, this is what it's looking like. So I am getting ready to put some hair rollers in my hair, put a little moisturizer in my hair, and just give it a go. We're gonna see what it look like. So it look kind of cute like this. I should wear it like this just in case it swell up again, but it's okay. So I'm gonna roll my hair with these hair rollers. I'll probably do a haul for you guys once I get everything together for our trip. We left everything in the car because for the simple fact we didn't want to bring it in the house. Because our cat, whenever, you know, you bring something new in the house, he likes to get on it, and sometimes he'll spray it and things of that nature. So even though he's fixed, that still happens sometimes. He's very territorial when it comes to me and my husband, and to my daughter as well. But yeah, guys, so this just a little vacation prep, just me dyeing my hair. The beginning of the video, you guys saw we took Curtis to get his shots. We have him set up for daycare. We also have Princess set up to go to a sitter. Okay, guys, so I'm getting ready to end this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Peace.